In Dodge Construction Central, you can share information, download information, print information, and email information. In today's example, we're going to be working on the project section in the left navigation bar, and my results are going to be displayed in list view. From list view, I can download the project information. First, you need to decide if you want to pick and choose the projects to download, or if you want to download the first X number of projects. If you want to pick and choose, check the boxes next to the projects that you want to download. If you'd rather download the first X number of projects, such as the first 100 or the first 500, don't check anything. Regardless of which option you started with, your next step is to click the gray download button in the upper right. This will bring up the download window. Start by selecting the file type in the upper right. Do you want to export the information into a CSV file, an Excel file, or a PDF file? Then we have the option to change the file name for the download. If we did not check any of the boxes next to the projects from the results screen, this means we want to download the first X number of projects. We can select that here next to number of items. Maybe I'll download the first 500. Next, we choose a template. Current project grid fields use the current column headers that are displayed on your results screen. All project fields displays every available column header and field. All project companies will display more company information than project information. Regardless of which one you pick, you still have the option to change the template by dragging the fields left to right. The fields available for you to choose are on the left, while the fields selected for the export are on the right. You can even drag the fields for export up and down to change their order for the download. If you want, you can save your selected fields as a custom template. I'll save mine. Notice the custom template I just created shows up in the templates window. When we're ready, click the blue download button on the bottom to run the export. We then receive confirmation in the upper right. When the file is ready, it will confirm it in the upper right. It can also be found in the download section, which is listed in the left navigation bar. If we click on the name of a project, it will take us to the project details. In here, we have a few different options. If we click on the Contacts tab, this will display two sections: Companies and Plan Holders Bidders. The Companies section will display the companies assigned to the project, such as an owner, architect, engineer, general contractor, or anyone else assigned to the project. The Plan Holders Bidders section will contain a Plan Holders Bidders list. To download either of these sections into CSV format, make sure you are on the Contacts tab and then click the gray download button in the upper right. From the drop-down menu, select which section you want to download. You can generate a PDF file of the project details. This will include everything on the project except the documents. To do this, click on the gray print button in the upper right. This will generate a PDF file of the project. Depending on which browser you are using, the PDF file will be created, possibly prompting you to open or save it. You will then have the option to save or print the PDF file. If you want to share a project with someone, click the gray Share button in the upper right. Enter their email in the To field. You can enter more than one email address by pressing Enter on the keyboard after each email address is entered. If you want to add a custom message for them, enter it below. When you click the blue Share button on the bottom, it will send a link to the project to them via email. It does not matter if they have Dodge access because they will still be able to access the project. They essentially piggyback on your subscription to gain access to the project. To see a listing of projects that you have shared or that have been shared with you, click on Shared Projects at the top. If you want to share this project by integrating it with a supported third party that you have access to, click on the third party icon at the top.